Today, we will learn how to reduce computer internet usage and increase computer speed on Windows 10. Click on the Start button, then Settings. Then click on Apps, then Start Up. You will see the programs loaded on the operating system. Here, you can choose which programs will run at startup. Here, select Not to run all programs at startup, except for antivirus programs. You can also do this by right-clicking on the taskbar. Then click on Task Manager, then Start Up. Then select the desired programs and click Enable or Disable. Here, you can see that all programs have been disabled except for antivirus programs. By clicking on Settings, then Accounts. Then click on Sign In Options. Here, to restart apps when you log out or shut down the computer. If it's set to on, turn it off here. This will reduce consumption and improve computer performance. There are also background apps running on the computer. Click on Privacy. Then click on Background Apps. Here, you'll find the programs running in the background while you work on the computer. Running them affects computer performance. The default state is on, as with most programs. Here, you can either stop each program individually, or, at the top, stop all programs. This way, no program runs in the background without your activation. This reduces the load on computer performance. By clicking here on Apps. Then click on Apps and Features. All programs and apps on the computer will be displayed. Delete any unnecessary program by clicking on it, then uninstall. Or click here on Programs and Features. Or through Control Panel. Review any unnecessary or redundant program. Then click on it, then click Uninstall. This way, you reduce the load of programs running on the computer. By clicking on Settings, then System. Then click on Storage. You'll see the space used by programs and apps on Drive C. Here, you can see temporary files and the space they occupy. By clicking on it, temporary file details are displayed. By clicking Remove Files, selected temporary files will be deleted. Here, you'll see the selected default temporary files to delete, such as temporary internet files and shader cache. And here, downloads and thumbnails. Deleting these files periodically reduces the load on the computer. By clicking Optimize Drives here, drives on the computer will be displayed. By clicking on C and then Optimize. Optimizing C includes file defragmentation. This leads to improved drive performance on the computer. The optimization process is repeated for each drive on the computer. By right-clicking on the computer icon and selecting Manage. Then clicking on Device Manager. Sometimes, computer devices are not up to date. To update any device, download the update file from the internet. Then right-click on it and select Update Driver. Then click on Browse My Computer and select the downloaded file. Then click Next to update the selected device. By clicking on Settings, then System. Then click on Power and Sleep. This allows you to balance power consumption and computer performance. Then click on Additional Power Settings. The default choice is Balanced for the power plan. It balances power consumption and computer performance. Click Create a Power Plan to create a custom plan. Click High Performance here. This provides maximum computer performance with a slight increase in power consumption. There are what are called visual effects. These affect computer performance. By clicking on Settings, then System, then About. Then click on Advanced System Settings. Then click Advanced, then Performance, then Settings. Visual effects settings will appear. The default choice is Let Windows choose what's best for my computer. The second choice sets all effects for the best appearance. This can be a burden on computer performance. If Adjust for Best Performance is selected, all effects will be removed. Choosing Custom allows you to select preferred effects. The preferred choice is Custom, and selecting Smooth Edges of Screen Fonts is recommended. This will greatly alleviate the burden of visual effects on the computer and increase the operating system's performance speed on the computer, which is Windows 10 here. By clicking on Settings, then Personalization, and Colors. You'll find Appearance Effects here, and the default choice is On. By turning them off, you'll significantly reduce the load on the computer's performance. By clicking System, then About, and Advanced System Settings. Then Advanced, Performance, and Settings. Then Advanced, and that's for RAM choices. This is relevant when your device has limited RAM. A portion of the hard drive can serve as virtual RAM. By clicking Change under Virtual Memory, you'll find the default choice for Automatically Manage the Memory. Click here to remove the selection, then click Custom Size. You'll see the possible size range that can be allocated. And here's the maximum limit for using it as hard drive-based memory. This allows you to control the allocated memory size to enhance your device's performance. To reduce data consumption, both internally and online, click on Settings, then Network and Internet. Then click on Status. The current network will appear, whether wired or wireless. Click here on Properties. You'll find Metered Connection here, and the default mode is off. Click it to turn it on, like this. This will reduce the computer's data consumption over the network. By clicking Start, then Microsoft Store. Then click in the upper right and select Settings. The default setting for these choices is On. Click on them to turn them off so automatic updates won't occur. This significantly reduces data consumption on the computer. Thus, it greatly decreases data usage on the computer. By clicking Settings, then Accounts. Then click on Sync Your Settings. You'll find that the default mode for sync is on. Click it to turn it off, which leads to improved computer performance. By clicking Start, then right-clicking on Microsoft Store. Then choose More, then click here to turn off Live Tile. So it won't start automatically when the computer boots. To reduce data consumption through the browser, click here in the upper right, then select Settings. Then click on Performance, and you'll find that the default mode for memory saving is off. Click it to turn it on. To maintain performance and reduce data consumption, by clicking here on System, you'll find that the default mode for running background apps is on. Click it to reduce data consumption. You can download a Google Chrome extension like this. This extension was created by Google. Click here to add it to your Google Chrome browser. This is to reduce data consumption through the browser. We'll stop here for today and continue in later videos. If you like this video, click like, share and subscribe. For more, visit us at Fair Solution. Thank you and have a nice day.